Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is wisdom, knowledge, understanding. It's time to work smart, not hard. Ask Lord God, Spirit, Universe, ask Spirit, what is the best step next? What should I do? And they're going to send a person, they're going to send a download, they're going to send that information, but then have a teachable spirit and a humble heart to accept it and use it. God has a plan for me, and I live here and now knowing beauty is to come. I don't force things that happen faster than the universe has decided for me. I learn from experiences, take small steps in faith, and I succeed thanks to all of my efforts. Work smart, not hard. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.